Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start inside Google Earth. Sign in and make sure location permission is on. In the search box, paste coordinates or a full address and press enter. This jumps you straight to the area. Once the view loads, toggle between 2D and 3D so you see building heights and context. Use the scroll wheel or plus, and to zoom, hold Shift and drag to tilt the angle. These first actions get you precisely where you need to begin analysis. Once you're on the target, enable relevant layers, roads, borders, places, and 3D buildings, so features pop visually. Use the ruler tool to measure straight line distance or the path tool to trace a route. The polygon tool gives area in your chosen unit. If Google Earth offers historical imagery, compare dates to confirm landmarks or recent changes. Make sure to note orientation. North is up by default, so measurements and alignments are accurate for whatever you plan next. Drop a place mark where you want precise location info, name it clearly and save it into a project so you can export later. Export coordinates directly or save the place mark as KML or KMZ to share with others or import into GIS tools. If your imagery seems shifted or buildings don't line up, switch imagery dates first. If that fails, use known control points, like intersection corners, to recalibrate your reference.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.